Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a bit of an interesting winter weather update. So, yes, you read the title right. We are going to be seeing a mid to late April blizzard across portions of Montana, Wyoming, the Dakotas, and Nebraska today. Timing out the event at around 9 a.m., we're going to see heavy snow across portions of eastern Montana, Wyoming, western portions of the Dakotas, and Nebraska. And as we go through the day, the snow is going to get heavier and the wind is going to get stronger as the low pressure rapidly deepens over South Dakota. And by about 4 p.m. Central Time, we're going to be seeing very heavy snow falling across western portions of South North Dakota and eastern Montana, with winds likely gusting between 35 and 45 miles per hour, meeting that blizzard criteria. And going through the evening, into about midnight tonight, it's still going to be snowing across western areas of the Dakotas and eastern Montana, with maybe a little rain mixing in as well. And then, even as we go through Sunday morning, it's still snowing in western portions of the Dakotas before finally tapering off by Sunday afternoon and moves east. We could see some very impressive snowfall totals with this. The HRRR model is forecasting anywhere between 6 to up to 20, 23, 25, even a couple areas of isolated 30 inches of snow possible with this event by by Sunday afternoon, with the majority of the snow totals being between 6 and about 15 inches across portions of eastern Montana and western portions of the Dakotas. And looking at some other models, the North American model is putting even more snow across portions of eastern Montana and Wyoming, with widespread totals of up to a foot to even 3 feet in isolated locations. So this is crazy for late April. Looking at the GFS model, we also have widespread areas of about 10 inches to 24 inches across portions of western North Dakota, eastern Montana, and northeastern Wyoming, with about 2 to 6 inches across central portions of the Dakotas. And then the European model, we also have about 6 to 18 inches on average, with isolated areas up to 25 inches across portions of the Dakotas and eastern Montana. So this is crazy for April. Just gonna let you briefly show you the National Weather Service has issued blizzard warnings in these orange counties across northeastern Wyoming, eastern Montana, northwest South Dakota, western North Dakota through 6 p.m. Mountain Time tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Where the National Weather Service is indicating 8 to 14 inches of snow could fall. Even ice accumulations are possible, as high as 1/10 of an inch. And the National Weather Service notes locally higher snowfall amounts of 20 inches are possible, as well as winds as high as 65 miles per hour. So if you are in the orange shaded counties, be prepared for very hazardous blizzard conditions. So thanks for watching my rare late April winter weather update, and stay safe, my friends.